In this video, we're going to take a look at vertex snapping. Now, vertex snapping is a new feature of Unity 3. It allows you to take the any vertex of one object and snap it to a vertex on another object. It's very easy to do, but it does have kind of an interesting workflow to it. The vertex snapping behavior can be found underneath the V key, which should make you feel right at home if you're a Maya user, because that's where I reach for point snapping in Maya. So the way this works is, if we hold down V, watch the move gizmo very carefully. It's going to start jumping around. Now, I'm not clicking the mouse at all. All I'm doing is holding V and moving the mouse. And what this is doing is moving the move gizmo to one of the vertices of the selected object. And this is how you choose the vertex that you will be snapping from. Basically, this is the guy who's going to be snapping. Now, once we have that, we can click and drag, and immediately our object jumps to the nearest vertex of whatever it is we happen to be mousing over. So here I am snapping this directly to a vertex on this cube over here on the side. We could snap it to vertices on our bench, some other vertices on the bench. We could snap it to vertices back here on our tent. What I'm going to do is snap it right up here to the cube so it's nice and level. Let's grab this other cube just kind of scaled and rotated off to the side. Once again, I'll hold down V, select this vertex over here at the corner, and then we'll snap it right up here. And if we take a look, all of these objects are now connected with each other very nicely. Now, if it weren't for the really odd rotation here, so for instance, if we didn't do anything crazy like rotating, it would be very easy to make these objects all look like they are snapped together perfectly because of vertex snapping. And without vertex snapping, that would be extremely hard to do to a high level of precision.
Right, unless you knew the actual transform positions and you dialed those in numerically, you would probably never be able to get them close enough using just the mouse to transform these.
That's right, and if you take a look, each one of these has some really odd scales to it, so finding out that exact location would be a real pain. But with vertex snapping, it's really a non-event. Like, we could just grab this box, we could duplicate it, and then holding down V, I could say, alright, I want to snap this vertex up here to this vertex here, and now they're perfectly snapped end to end. Very quick and easy. So that is a look at vertex snapping. It's very easy to do. In fact, I wish other 3D applications had vertex snapping that was quite that smooth. And that's going to wrap things up for this video. Thank you very much for watching.